In this video, I will show you how to download additional apps on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Before you start this step, make sure you have a good connection with your phone, and the Wi-Fi on or mobile data on your phone is on. Alternatively, if you have the LTE version of this watch, you can also make sure you have enabled the data. So then you have to basically access your Play Store. And to do that, we have to swipe from like bottom to up like this. Swipe it like this. And basically in this apps list, search for this icon, like a triangle, like colorful triangle basically. And click on that. And this will open the Play Store. And here you can basically enter as what you want to search for, or also just browse some random stuff that it offers you. So you can install maybe YouTube Music or just like different trending apps. So all kinds of cool stuff. So you can even install some games. So you can click on that, whatever you want to install, and you can simply click install. And it will start to download this game. Again, make sure you have a good connection. So after it is downloaded, you see, it will install automatically. Keep in mind that this process is much slower than when you basically download stuff on your phone. And also the whole app choice in this app store is very limited when you compare to your like regular phone's app store. So they're like maybe like 2 or 3% of what apps you get on the regular Play Store. So there's not that huge choice. Anyway, after you have installed your app, as you see, it shows the icon that it's downloading. After it will be installed, it will be placed somewhere at the end here in your apps list. So you'll be able to open it there. And that's basically how I do it on this watch. If it was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!